Welcome to Tech Help Canada, where businesses come to support their growth. Today, we're delving into one of the most groundbreaking developments in tech, humanoid robots. With advancements from companies like Tesla and Robotics, humanoid robots are quickly moving from science fiction to reality. But what does this mean for entrepreneurs, businesses, and even society as a whole? Stick around to find out how this technology could reshape the way we live and work. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, is set to enter low production for internal use as early as next year. According to Elon Musk, the goal is to bring it into high production for external businesses by 2026. Optimus is designed to handle repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, particularly in industries like manufacturing and logistics, where the need for automation is crucial. The potential of Optimus extends far beyond just factory work. As robots like Optimus become more capable, they can tackle complex tasks that involve precision, like assembling products or even managing warehouses. Imagine a factory where robots work around the clock, never needing a break, and significantly boosting productivity. In the domestic sphere, Robotics is making waves with Neo Beta, a humanoid robot designed with muscle-like anatomy to perform tasks with human-like dexterity. Neo Beta isn't just a cleaning or utility robot. It learns in real time through a process called embodied learning. As it operates, it continuously improves, adapting to different scenarios and tasks, whether in a home or office environment. Imagine the potential this brings to areas like caregiving or hospitality. Neo Beta could handle menial tasks while interacting with people in a natural way, providing a more personalized touch to automation in services like customer support or elderly care. This ability to learn and adapt makes Neo Beta a versatile tool for businesses seeking to balance efficiency and human interaction. For entrepreneurs, humanoid robots offer enormous potential to optimize operations and reduce costs. In manufacturing, for example, robots like Optimus could automate repetitive tasks such as assembly and packaging. This would free up human workers for higher-level roles that require creativity and critical thinking. In retail or customer service, robots could greet customers, answer questions, and handle basic requests, improving efficiency while allowing employees to focus on more complex needs. But these robots aren't just for big businesses. Small and medium-sized enterprises could benefit by automating time-consuming tasks that slow down their growth. Early adopters of this technology might find themselves ahead of the competition, operating more efficiently and scaling more rapidly. On a larger scale, the rise of humanoid robots like Tesla's Optimus and Robotics' Neo Beta could transform society. These robots promise to address labor shortages, particularly in industries like healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing. For instance, robots could step in to handle physically demanding tasks or work in hazardous environments, reducing risks for human workers. However, widespread automation also brings challenges. What happens to the workforce as robots take over jobs traditionally done by humans? While some fear job displacement, others see opportunities for humans to transition into new roles, focused on managing and working alongside robots. The shift could lead to a broader societal conversation about retraining and adapting to a future where robots handle many of the manual tasks. As robots become more capable, we'll see a fundamental shift in the nature of work. Humans won't be replaced, but will move into roles that require creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, areas where robots still lag behind. Robots will handle the heavy lifting, so to speak, while humans will focus on tasks that require a personal touch, innovation, or leadership. For entrepreneurs, the future will involve not only adopting these robots, but also figuring out how to integrate them into existing business models. We could see entire industries emerge around maintaining and improving robotic systems, creating new opportunities in tech, AI, and beyond. Humanoid robots like Tesla's Optimus and Robotics' Neo Beta represent a bold step into the future. Whether you're a business owner looking for efficiency or a society grappling with labor challenges, these robots offer solutions that could redefine our world. But as exciting as the future looks, we must also consider the social and economic shifts that will come with it. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Help Canada. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing beyond your limits.